Good morning, Denomi. This is Frank. We spoke yesterday. We talked about getting a video together for you, who's taking awesome newborn photos. Just lovely pictures that I see here. I remember my little one. Anyways, I value your time, so I want to be concise and go over everything in about 5 to 6 minutes here. So in this video, I will be talking about three components that we can do to the site to make ourselves visible online. And what I mean by that is specifically showing up in search engine. So if somebody type in baby photography Langley, you will see that there are a lot of results here, and you see that we're sponsored, right? So this means these are people who are actually doing ads, right? They're running ads on Google so people can click on them. So this might not always work because some people have ad blockers and they might not see them. In fact, the statistics show us that 30% of people will actually come straight to the map pack. Okay, they'll click on one of these three. So this is where you want to be. And if they don't do that, they'll continue to scroll down and probably pick from one of these top five. At least for me, I would right click and then click into there. So Haley Lynch is actually showing up twice. But from my research, it's Art Hera that really gets a lot of traffic. You see, she's there, she's ranked number 3, she's also doing ads. So let's use that as an example to see what kind of traffic she's getting when she's ranked in all places. Okay, so that's her site. You'll notice that she has a lot of content, and that's one of the first thing that I want to talk about. When you have a lot of content and it has all the keyword like wet newborn photo, right? 1 out of 14 pictures, not there, or baby photo, right? There are four occurrences, whereas newborn photography has 10 plus occurrences. That's the exact formula you want to do to get ranked on Google, because Google's job is to connect people who are searching for something to people who are providing the solution. So how do we, as website owner, tell Google what we're about? It's by including content. All right, I would say just right out of the back, 1,500 words is what we want to aim for. I know it's a lot, but you can be creative and use Google reviews and different ways to communicate. Okay, so let's look at them. Let's geek out a little bit. So with that website's effort, they are getting 107 visitors every month. And I think it's slowing down, but it's picking up. So it was 160 before, right? So just imagine having that traffic to your site as well. And that's kind of the traffic that you're talking about. And if you just even capture 20% of that into paying customer, you're getting 20 plus new customers every month. And you can translate that into your revenue based on your margin. So is this something worth doing? 100% yes. And that's why I'm contacting you, I'm calling you, because when I ran through the matrix, when I run through the numbers, it makes sense. And that's why I reach out to business owners for this. So I only want to work with one photographer in the Langley area. Okay, so that's number one. This is your site. Let me just move this a little further away so I can see. So this is your site. I believe this is rather new. Is that correct, Denomi? You don't currently have any work done on the site yet. It could be because it's new. When we look at Art Hera, we see that there are 15 domains giving her 50 backlinks. So that means there are 15 other websites talking about it. So this is the second component I want to talk about. The first one was content. We covered that well, beef it up and include keyword. The second one is about backlinks. So think about this as a vote. When you're trying to get elected, the more votes you have, the more trustworthy you become, right? In the public's eye. So the person with the more votes, the most votes, will get elected. Same with the website. The more votes you get, the higher you rank. The site with the best keywords and the best backlinks profile will be ranked number one. All right, so you're talking about a top competitor of 15 individual website giving them a total of 50 backlinks. That means one of these domains are giving them multiple backlinks, okay? And they're being found for 279 keywords. This is important because it will allow us to know exactly what kind of content to include. And you can have blog posts. So they have maternity photo, they have lengthy newborn photographer. You see how I'm targeting this? This is basically reverse engineering, isn't it? We're trying to find out exactly how they produce the results they produce. Okay? So that's the second component, the backlink profiles. The third one, and also the one that I like the most, which is the quickest to tackle, would be the Google Business Profile. So you want to be on here. As I said, I have helped many business partners get up here within 2 to 3 months' time. And that includes doing things we call citations. This is the number three thing we will be talking about. Citations includes anything like Yelp listings, Yellow Page listings, Facebook listings, all these business directories. And when you register your business, which is 100% free, you want to use the exact name, address, and phone number to register them. That's very key. When you finish doing that, what you're doing essentially is letting Google know, look, I have all this business registration on the internet. I am a legitimate business and I am somebody who is actively trying to provide service. And Google takes that into account and they're going to rank you higher. Of course, you want to provide regular weekly updates to your GBP with lots of photos. When you upload the photos, make sure the photos are also named using the keyword, which is baby photography Langley. Okay, so we in all we talked about three main things. I just wanted to recap content, let's beef it up and include the keywords, 1500 words. Second one, backlinks. Let's build backlinks so that people are talking about you, your site become more trustworthy. And third one is citations. I know might be a lot of information to you, so if you have some time, let me know, and I will be more than happy to hop on a call with you. Maybe 30 minutes chat. Let's just talk it over, friend to friend. Let's talk about our dreams and business goals, and see where we can shoot snapback photography to new heights. All right, Dinomi, thank you for watching. My phone number is 778-316-2239 if you want to get a hold of me. 778-316-2239. Take care and have a good day.